This spectacular southern Middle Tennessee property checks all the boxes for a premium estate or family compound buyer looking for unrivaled serenity and privacy. The incredibly diverse land characteristics feature an ideal blend of open fields and majestic hardwoods, while boasting mostly level and gentle rolling topography, making this property so desirable. This stunningly beautiful 120 plus or minus acre property, with approximately 1/2 mile of paved road frontage, offers numerous access options from 2 county roads. Majestically lined field edges with some of the most beautiful 100-year-old white oak trees you will ever see. Just 15 to 20 minutes from the quaint but also bustling southern Middle Tennessee towns of Lawrenceburg and Pulaski. Walk out your door and take a hike with your dog, cruise around on your ATVs, saddle up and ride your horses. Go hunting, set up a range to target practice. Recreation abounds until your heart's content. A perfect mix of productive, tillable ground combined with mature hardwood timber makes this property so well suited for the ultimate sprawling estate with a wide range of other productive uses, from growing crops to grazing cattle or horses across the healthy grass pastures. Mature mast-producing trees sprinkled throughout, along with 2 ponds and a wet weather creek, provide excellent wildlife habitat for the healthy numbers of deer and turkey that call this property home. Mostly level and gentle rolling topography boasts multiple potential build site choices for your dream home or family compound. For more information and a private qualified showing, call Pat Doyle today at 615-490-2771.